Okay, I have a Sargent 6-pin Mortice cylinder challenge lock. The lock does work. Okay, it's locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, let's put it in the vise and open it up and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, we're going to use top of the keyway. See if we can get this turned just right. And we're going to use this pick. Let's start at the front on this lock. Work our way to the back. Okay, pin 2, I believe. Pin 2. Okay, a little bit out of pin 6 then. A little bit on pin 4. We're moving on pin 3 again. See about pin 1. Okay, got a little bit off pin 1. Pin 2. Okay, a little bit on pin 5 again. Pin 4. Pin 3. Okay, a little false set out of pin 4 then, I believe. Okay, pin 6, pin 5, pin 4 feels like they're set. Get a little feedback off pin 3. See if we can bounce it up a little bit. Okay, pin 3 set. Okay, pin 1. Pin 1 don't want to set. It's giving some feedback though. Okay, pin 1, and it's open. Okay, let's see what's inside this challenge lock. Okay, see if we can slide this out without dumping pins all over everywhere. Okay, got that. Alright, let's see what kind of pins we have in the plug. Well, first let's look, make sure all the pins are in the plug. Okay, all the pins are in the plug and works fine. Okay, let's remove them. Pin 1 serrated, pin 2 serrated, pin 3 serrated, pin 4 serrated, pin 5 serrated, pin 6 serrated. Okay, the plug is threaded in every chamber. Now let's check our top pins. Alright, let's get a close-up of the pins if we can here. Okay, that one come out just like this. Whoops, dropped it. I believe that's the way it come out. I dropped it, but cut. This one here is so like this. We'll look at them real close in a moment. Okay, number 3 is a T-pin with a wafer. Come out just like this. Okay, number 4 is a serrated on one end and partial spool on the other. Okay, that's another T-pin with a wafer. I believe it is, yes. Come out just like this. Okay, number 6. Let's get the springs out of the way. Okay, every plug in the channel in the Bible has been threaded. It has set screws here to so that the chambers could be threaded to make it a little harder to pick. Alright, let's take a real close look at the pins. I know someone will be glad to get this lock one day. I'm going to send this to Cop Block along with 2 or 3 others, and then he can send them out to someone else when he gets through with them. Okay, on pin 1 and 2 we had a serrated type spool in the top, serrated key pin in the bottom, and on pin number 2 we had some type of serrated pin in the top and a serrated key pin on the bottom. Okay, number 3 and 4. Okay, yeah, we got them right. Alright, number 3 and 4. Serrated key pin in the bottom, T-pin with a wafer on top. This one was another serrated key pin and with another serrated pin on top, just like that, I believe. Okay, and then 5 and 6 we had another T-pin with a wafer, serrated key pin, and another serrated type pin in the top and a serrated key pin in the bottom. Okay, that's what we have in this challenge lock. I'm going to be making several more of these challenge locks, and so we can send them out to different lock pickers. Okay, please do not do anything illegal. Please stay out of trouble. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.